Most people don't get ripped off by the car, they get ripped off by the person selling it. And the scary part is, sellers tell you exactly what's wrong, just not in a way that you recognize. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what sellers say that should make you walk away immediately. I'm a mechanic, and this is Car Debrief. Number 1. I've got someone else coming to see it later. This sounds normal, but it's one of the oldest pressure tactics in the book. What they're really saying is, don't think, don't inspect, just buy. A proper used car inspection should take time. You should be checking the engine, the history, the test drive. If someone is rushing you, there's something that they don't want you to find. The rule is, if you feel rushed, you are about to make a very bad decision. Number 2, it's been fully serviced. Sounds great, right? Now ask for the records. If they say, I lost them, it was done privately, or I don't have the paperwork, then here's the reality. If it's not written down, then it didn't happen. Service history is one of the most important things when buying a car. Without it, you're guessing how the car was treated, and guessing is exactly how people end up with expensive repairs. Number 3, that is just how they are. This one catches a lot of people. You point something out, a noise, a vibration, a rough shift, and the seller says, nah, they all do that. No, they don't. Cars don't develop problems for no reason. For example, a transmission that slips or shifts harshly during a test drive is a known warning sign for internal wear. That's not normal. That's expensive. If something feels wrong, assume it is wrong until it is proven otherwise. Number 4, it just needs a simple fix. This is where people get trapped. You hear, it just needs a sensor. It just needs a service. It's an easy fix. If it's that easy, why haven't they fixed it? Sellers don't just leave money on the table for no reason. What sounds like $100 fix can easily turn into a $1,000 plus problem, because the issue you see is often just the symptom. Number 5, I'm selling it for a friend. This one sounds harmless, but it creates a big problem. The person selling the car doesn't know the history, can't answer the questions properly, and avoids responsibility. So when something goes wrong, there's no one accountable, and that is exactly how problems get passed on. Number 6, no test drives or just around the block. This is a massive red flag. A proper test drive should let you accelerate properly, feel gear changes, test the brakes, listen for noises. If the seller limits where and how much you can drive, they're controlling what you can discover. And that's usually because the problem shows up under real driving conditions. Number 7, the engine was just cleaned. This one surprises a lot of people. A super clean engine bay might look like a very good thing, but sometimes it's used to hide leaks, oil leaks, coolant leaks. Things that would normally be obvious get washed away before you even arrive. So if the engine looks freshly clean, don't assume it's a good sign. Look closer. Number 8, it's priced to sell. This one plays on emotion. You think, oh, it's a good deal, I need to act fast. But here's the truth, cheap cars are often cheap for a reason. Sometimes it's minor, but sometimes it's because it has hidden issues. It's been poorly maintained, or the seller knows something that you don't. Number 9, no need for an inspection. This is one of the biggest red flags that you will see. A pre-purchase inspection is one of the best ways to uncover hidden problems. If the seller refuses it, you need to ask yourself why. Because a confident seller has nothing to hide. The rule is simple. If they won't allow an inspection, walk away. Here's the truth that most people don't realize. A bad car can look perfect, but a bad seller always leaves clues. And the biggest mistake buyers make is ignoring those clues because they like the car. If you want to know exactly what to check before you hand over your money, that is exactly what I break down in my full inspection guide and my negotiation playbook. Because cars do not fail randomly, and neither should your decisions.